Now in this session we'll be looking at Spotlight Search. Now Spotlight Search is a search tool for our Mac OS X. And to open our Spotlight Search, we simply click on the magnifying glass icon, which is located in the top right hand corner of our Mac. Now if we click on this icon, it will then reveal our search bar. We can also open our Spotlight Search by holding down the command key and pressing the spacebar key, which is the shortcut key to open the Spotlight Search. Now once our Spotlight Search is open, we can enter the name of the item we wish to search for that might be on our Mac. We can also take the same search global by searching for it on the web directly from the Spotlight Search. But this is an example we show later during the session. So to start off with, we find an application which is going to be our first item of choice. So the application we search for will be our calculator. So after entering the name of the calculator, not even completing the spelling, we will then have the result as our calculator application, which we can open directly from our Spotlight Search. We can also find folders and files within our Spotlight Search that is contained on our Mac by searching it through the name of the file, also through the content that's contained on that file itself. So to start off with, we're going to go into our Notes application, and within our Notes application, we're going to find the note called First Note. So we'll open our Spotlight Search and we simply type in First Note. And after I typed in First Note, it will give us the result, which is the one sitting in my Notes application. And if I move my mouse on the note itself, it gives us a quick preview in terms of what is written in that note as the content of that note. So this time around, I'll not use the name of the note, but I use the content that is written in that note, which is Welcome to DigiCape Training Online. So this time around, I open my Spotlight Search again and I type in Welcome to DigiCape, and not even completing the sentence will give me the result First Note. Now there are other results as well. However, the other results contain any of the words that is within the content of that file. So it is pretty handy to enter a sentence that is unique to any of the other files, which will then give you a better result in terms of your search. We can also use the Spotlight Search as additional tools, such as using it as a calculator, as the Spotlight Search is also linked to various applications on the Mac itself. So to start off with, we can type in our calculation within the Spotlight Search by just typing in 12 plus 12 gives us the result 24, and it specifies where it is looking through, as well as we've got a built-in dictionary that is also linked to our Spotlight Search, which supports both the UK and US based English, has a built-in thesaurus, built-in Apple dictionary, as well as a built-in Wikipedia. We can simply type in any word that we want to search the definition for, and it will then give us the results. In other words, if I should take the word technology, it will then give me the result if I now search under the dictionary, the definition of technology. However, I don't need to go into the dictionary first to find the definition of the word. I can simply type it directly within my Spotlight Search, and this will give me exactly the same result. Now to find the result, I go to the lookup option in my Spotlight Search, and it will give me the preview of the definition under the lookup. So as we can see that we have our Spotlight Search linked to various applications as well, such as my dictionary as well as my calculator. I can also push a search further by taking it global into going to the search the web option. So if I go to search web 4 option, it will take me straight to my Safari browser, and it will do a Google search on the item search that I have placed in my Spotlight. So as we can see, we can search for items via the name, via the content, utilize our Spotlight search as a calculator or even as a dictionary, or even take any search that we are doing within our Spotlight search to a global scale by clicking on the Search Web 4 option.